Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing with you all few snippets before the semester actually ends and I went back home. So basically today I am not sure like what I was about to do because classes had already finished. So what I did was to had a study session reviewing manuscripts and also recording. So that I did, and yeah, so that was how that day went. This is few days after what I had recorded, and so basically we had a marriage. So one of our colleagues was about to get married, and so both the bride and groom are from our university, so hence we got the invite. And also I had ordered few books, so basically they came in. I really wanted to read those books. So I have never I have heard a lot about Arundhati Roy, and she is such a good writer and whatnot. Also about her views, and sometimes people they agree with her, not agree with her. But I really wanted to give it a chance to read her work, understand her work, right? So sometimes we have to distinguish work from the artist, and sometimes they are one and the same. So yeah, so that was it for that day. And then we had to go to the event, so basically the haldi. So we went there, and after that I don't know if I had recorded it or I'll be putting it here, but yes, that is what we did that day. Yeah, what does this mean? This means winters are already here. I had an idea to shoot this. I already have put it in the shorts, YouTube shorts. So go watch it if you want to. And to be honest, that day I did not do much. Maybe because I was feeling little under the weather or what. But also I'm realizing I'm like I don't know. I really like this place, the reflection, and so okay. I should, I should not be posting this now. But whatever. Um, I'll try not to record here. And also, I'm really fed up with the voiceovers. They are they are really not fun anymore. So no voiceover. Just wait for 2 3 videos. I don't know how many videos that I've already recorded and how much like of an vlog that can make. But seriously, I'm done with them. But also, like when you don't have time, what do? You do all this and thinking that maybe voiceovers are easy. So yeah, that is it. So then I went to Starbucks to have a coffee. But you know what? I'm feeling Starbucks on campus does not have the same taste. Maybe it's me, but there is something off. I don't know what. So yeah, it's the next day, and this is the day of invigilation. So again, I actually we have to be there before time and before well in advance, so that if there are any issues, challenges, I will be able to tackle it. If student have some queries, all of those things, and also I just wanted to record it. And what did I record in the evening? This. And then I googled it. What it is that sometimes during evenings or a particular hour, birds they all come together and then they create a group and they you know like do all this. And this is to protect themselves from predators. So yeah, that is what I learned today. Okay, so that is it. Bye for today. Hey guys, this is another day, and today is meeting day. So, as per usual, as per my routine, I had my coffee, and then I had to wait some more for the meeting time, and then after meeting, I did not do much. But I was excited for one thing, and which was you'll find out in the later videos. So, sorry, later in the vlog. What am I saying? So, I'm done with the meetings. I just filmed myself, and then I really wanted to go home because surprise, surprise, what do I have with me is DJI, and I actually I did not want to buy it because I'm not comfortable with the gimbal thing, but it has brought to my attention that it is a really good camera. So I won't be having it, but for some time, but I'm hoping that it is a good, like it would add, uh, like I don't know how to put it. I'll give you a review after I, you know, use it for some time. And maybe in the later vlogs. Not review, proper review, but from my POV, is it a good investment or not? Because I am I'm comfortable with action cameras because they are sturdy. You can carry them out, and it's not that it's not a tiny camera. It is a tiny, but because of the gimbal thing, I feel like, oh, you have to be careful, and so I prefer phones and recording on phone, and also like on action camera, but not on this. And also I don't have the capabilities to shoot on a proper DSLR style camera, so that is never, I don't know, never say never, but I don't think that will be happening. So yeah, so this is a teeny weeny camera which is good, discreet, everything is fine. I'm really not comfortable with the gimbal, so I don't know what would be my use case. But if I ever talk like in front of camera, I am trying to do it, so maybe it will be helpful. So yeah, so I should stop rambling, and there is one thing that I want to bring it. So this is the test of it. Yeah, it has a decent camera, I would say, but I'm not comfortable in public, to be honest. So yeah, so it was next day, the day to test this camera, right? And yeah, with that I did not bring it back home, so I had to leave it. But yeah, now I'm heading back home because um, we had online exams. The schedule changed from sit down offline exams to online exams, so which meant that we don't have to invigilate now, so hence there was no point in staying back. So yeah, in the next vlog I will be sharing with you all about my travel to Himachal and whatnot. So yeah, see you out there. Bye.